Samajwadi Party MP Jaya Bachchan had an angry outburst in Rajya Sabha on the day that her daughter-in-law Aishwarya Rai Bachchan was called by ED for a questioning in Panama Papers leak. Samajwadi Party Rajya Sabha MP Jaya Bachchan on Monday called out the chair to be fair and not take sides of any particular party and cursed the treasury benches, saying that "Aap logo ke bure din aayenge," which means your bad days will come. Jaya Bachchan's remarks came when she was asked by the chair to participate in the ongoing discussion on the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Amendment Bill 2021. Initiating her speech, the MP first called out the chair for not listening to the opposition and said, "Can we expect from you what is going on? There are so many issues we are discussing over a bill which is brought by the government to correct its mistake. आप गला घोट दीजिए हम सबका. You please strangulate us," she added. The MP further said, "You should be fair and not support any particular party." As BJP MP Rakesh Sinha raised point of order alleging Bachchan of pointing the chair, a verbal spat started. She also wanted the chair to take action against members, accusing them of making personal remarks against her. The chair, presided by Bhuvaneshwar Kalita, however, announced that the remarks which were not suitable would be expunged from the record. As the situation almost seemed out of control, Kalita then adjourned the House till 5 p.m. But this was the angry outburst of Jaya Bachchan that was seen inside the House. Her angry outburst comes on the day that Bollywood actress and her daughter-in-law Aishwarya Rai Bachchan was summoned by Enforcement Directorate in the Panama Paper leak case in the FEMA case. She was asked to appear before the ED's Delhi office on Monday for questioning. She arrived at the office at 2:20 p.m. The actress was earlier summoned by ED on November 9, 2021 under Section 37 of FEMA. However, she did not join the probe. The summon was sent to her Mumbai residence Pratiksha. The actress was then asked to respond within 15 days, following which she replied via email.
The next speaker is Srimati Jaya Bachchan.
मैं आपको धन्यवाद नहीं देना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि समझ में नहीं आता कि जब आप इस तरफ से चिल्ला के वेल में जाते थे उस वक्त को याद करूं या आज आप कुर्सी पे बैठे हैं तो उस वक्त को याद करूं। सर, दुख की बात तो यह है कि ये ऐसा वक्त है जहां बड़े बड़े चीजों
एक मिनट point of order under what rule?
Member is casting as person on the chair. He is taking the chair. Claiming chair.
You refer to the rule.
250. Sir, opposition is degrading the house. They are casting as person on the chair. This is the degradation of the house. This is not the custom of the house that you are casting. Any member can be the chair. Anybody can sit on the chair. You cannot degrade the member. Chair. Kindly remove it.
And go for the record.
And warn the member not to use this. Another time, same thing.
Okay. I will go through the record. If something is there, it will be expunged. And I will request the honorable member to start her speech.
Sir, thank you for calling me honorable. And if you really believe I'm honorable, then listen to me carefully. We want justice. Don't expect justice from there. But can we expect it from you? How are you protecting the members of this house or the 12 members sitting outside? How are you protecting them?
Madam, you are going to speak on narcotic bill.
I am going
It's
to
not
speak.
narcotic bill
I
you
am
are
going
saying.
to speak.
It looks like you are not interested in the bill.
डिस्कशंस बाकी
You
है।
are not interested in the
बोलिए, मेरा
side
मौका है
narcotics.
बोलने का।
Please,
आप क्यों
please.
बोल रहे हैं? मेरा मौका है बोलने का।
आपका मौका है बोलने का नार्कोटिक्स बिल
बड़े
पर।
मुद्दे हैं डिस्कस करने के लिए, और मगर हम लोगों ने 3-4 घंटे दिए क्लेरिकल एरर डिस्कस करने के लिए। व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन? व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन? दिस इज टेरेबल। और आप सबसे मैं ये कहना चाहती हूं, आप बीन किसके आगे बजा रहे हैं? आप लोग बीन किसके आगे बजा रहे हैं? देखिए, आपके बुरे दिन बहुत जल्द आने
Please
वाले
address the
हैं।
chair.
अगर
Honorable
आप
member.
पटवारियां इसी
You are
तरह
honorable
चलते रहे,
member. Please
आपके
address
बुरे
the
दिन
chair.
बहुत जल्दी आने वाले हैं। अगर आपके अंदर
If
इतनी
you have
भी
something, please
अपने
address the
colleagues
chair. You don't
Sir,
have to reply to him.
सर बात भी
Please,
ना करने
आप
दें।
एड्रेस कीजिए
हाउस
शेयर
में
को।
भी ना बैठे
आप शेयर को address
चलाई
कीजिए।
छोड़ दीजिए हम लोगों का। आप लोग चलाइए। क्या बोल रहे हैं
आप मत- आप-
What are you saying? Tell me, what are you saying? Have the courage to stand up and speak and make such nasty remarks.
I think you are not
What are you
interested.
saying?
I think you are not interested. I'm calling the next member.
सर, ये जो बोल गए ये आप रखेंगे?
I think
ये जो अभी बोल के गए वो आप रखेंगे?
आपका जो
I
बोलना
expect you to take action on the comment that he made about me and my children. Please.
that will be
You want to be
This
fair?
is-
You're sitting on the chair. You don't belong to any party, sir. You do justice, or you tell the whole house and the
आप
entire
विषय पर
country
बोलिए।
that you don't
आप
believe in
विषय पर
justice.
बोलिए।
He made a personal
आप
remark
विषय
on
पर
me.
बोलिए। आप विषय पे नहीं बोल रहे हैं।
He made a
आप
personal
विषय
remark
पर
on me.
एक शब्द भी नहीं बोल रहे हैं।
How dare he do it? You have to protect
If you
the
have to
house.
fight, if you have intention to fight, this is not the forum. I am very sorry. I am very sorry. I am calling the next speaker. I am calling the next speaker. Ramnath Thakur.
Sir, how can they make personal remarks in the house? How can they make personal remarks in the house? बड़े दुख की बात है कि आप लोगों के दिल में इतनी भी समझ नहीं है, और इतना भी आप लोगों को लिए, आप लोगों के पास अपने रिस्पेक्टेड कोलीग्स जो बाहर बैठे हैं उनके लिए जरा भी सम्मान नहीं है। आप लोगों को बुरे दिन आएंगे। I curse you.
House is adjourned till 5 p.m.